I want to share a thought about positive self-image. So if you take those letters, positive self-image, it's PSI. So I used to run car dealerships back in the day, and PSI, you have to have the right pressure of tire pressure in your car. So it's pounds per square inch. So the average car runs at 36 pounds per square inch in each tire. And if you have a pressure that's too low, your tire is going to be low. And it's not going to ride correctly, you're not going to have traction, your tire's going to tear apart and fall off, you're going to get stuck, and you're not going to be able to drive down the road. Well, the same thing's true in life. If you don't have PSI, if you don't have positive self-image, if you don't believe in yourself, then it's going to be like driving with a flat tire. It's going to be harder to get to your goals. It's going to be harder to do what you want to do. It's going to be, you're not going to believe in yourself that you're going to be able to get to where you want to be. So I encourage you today, take a look at what your self-image is. What do you think of yourself? How do you speak about yourself? What do you do to support yourself, to build up that pressure, to build up that inflate your PSI so that you can roll down the road smoothly, so that you can travel anywhere you want to go, so that you'll have traction, so that you'll have stability in your life. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. I hope you believe in you. Thanks. Take care. Have a great day.